What'd you do?
She seized up.
No!
Yeah.
like
Dunzo.
I didn't make it to the race on Sunday, which means I get to take photos and videos of all my friends. Sunday's race consists of 3 motos. After each race, a select number of individuals would advance onto the next moto.
What up, brother? What up, Rodrigo? Get him, man.
Here's an eye-opener for you. Devin, number 8, got 3rd place in the A class during the amateur race yesterday. And followed right behind him is Cody Webb on his 2nd lap. Right behind Cody is Connor. And I know that Bryce should be following soon. The first moto is wrapping up, and we got a message from Bryce. It's not good. What'd you do?
She seized up.
No!
Yeah.
like
Dunzo.
Like won't turn over?
Oh yeah, you can't even push.
Oh man, Bryce seized his engine. That sucks. That sucks. There we go.
Just shout towing service.
It's a bummer that Bryce seized his engine. However, there is some good news. Connor and Devin advanced onto the 2nd moto. To spice things up, the terrain becomes more extreme for each subsequent moto as the competitors lose their energy. Now that's an awesome recipe for some great spectating. Both Devin and Connor put in a great effort, but unfortunately they didn't make it to Moto 3. But I will leave you with some highlights from the final race. The next race on the calendar is the Iowan Hard Enduro. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to show you that it's not just rolling hills and corn mazes.